Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to restart if your PC is stuck in the restarting. If your Windows 10 PC is stuck on the restarting screen, you can try the following steps to resolve the issue. First, you need to wait for some time. Sometimes Windows may take longer than usual to restart, especially if updating are being installed. So what you have to do is go to the Windows down option, click that, and on the right corner, we can see there's this power icon. Click on that and simply click on the restart option. If there's not any restart option showing you, what you have to do is force restart in your computer. If waiting does not help, then press and hold the power button until your PC turns off and wait for a few seconds, then turn it back on. And also make sure your Windows 10 is up to date. What you have to do is check for the updates in the search, click that and type down settings, go to the settings over here. Then after you'll get into an interface like this, on the left corner, we could see the Windows Update, which is on the bottom. Click there and look out for the any Windows Update. Click on the check for the update option. And now it's checking for the updates. And what you have to do is install any pending updates and restart your computer after that. And this is it guys. This step should help you resolve issue of Windows 10 being stuck on the restarting screen. If the problem persists, you may need to seek further assistance for Microsoft support or a professional technician. This is it guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.